Ano ang tamang steps o simula sa negosyo? Answer, based sa experience ko or actual experience as business owner and teaching experience ko, kasi nagtuturo tayo ng business subjects, merong 6 steps o simula sa negosyo. Number 1, business idea. Yes, friends, idea mo about products or services na i-offer mo sa market that will satisfy customers' wants and needs. Number 2, plan. Opo, like business plan, marketing plan, financial plan, management plan, and other plans po sa negosyo ninyo. Number 3, action. Opo, importante na apart from planning, action talaga. Do it and create your small business. And number 4, monitor. Opo, kailangan i-monitor natin yung business transactions from day 1 up to present and future sa business mo. Importante yan. How to monitor? Simply by having bookkeeping, recording, accounting, specifically sa financial ng business mo. Number 5, manage your business po. Opo, manage your 5 M's. Men, money, machine, materials, and methods. And number 6, prayers. Importante yan, meron tayong guidance ni God sa business natin para maging successful po. Alright? Thank you for watching. Points to ponder, friends. 2 thumbs up.